guys, so these are all the stuff that I purchased at Dollarama. The total cost for these items is... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for tuning into this video, guys. I'm so excited. In this video I will be doing a Dollarama haul with you guys. I bought some stuff from Dollarama. At the end of this video I will tell you how much I spent on all this stuff from Dollarama. And yeah, let me know in the comment if you think they're worth the amount of money I spent. And these stuff, some of these stuff are mine. Some of the stuff that I got from Dollarama are for my personal use, while others I will be packing them. So just stay tuned to see when I'm packing and where I am packing these stuff for. Yes guys, so I'm gonna start off. So right now I have two Dollarama bags, and then I have a big bag, Dollarama bag. So I have 3 Dollarama bags. Stay put while I show you what I purchased from Dollarama. So first off, I'm going to start with these. I got these tang, orange tang. Yep. Got some mac and cheese. I got 4 boxes. 4 boxes of mac and cheese. You guys don't forget to check your expiry dates. I got some, oopsie, I got 3 tins of tuna. Some sausages. The others are somewhere in the other bags. More sausage. Got some noodles. This is basmati rice. I got about 3 packs of basmati rice. Elbow pasta. Spaghetti. Another spaghetti. Some snacks, candies, gummies, snacks. I got some Kit Kat, sponges, more noodles, galore candies, more gummies, more candies, gummies. Some of the items are for my personal use. I got some juice boxes, apple juice. So these are mine. Some toothbrush cover, tape. Hi. Wipes. Some scrunchies, socks, Crocs, white Crocs, another pair of Crocs, Dove soap, more noodles, more candies, sponges. Oh, yeah, some more toothbrush cover, ravioli, some gums, Snickers, sugar, hair swab, cotton swabs, wipes, hot chocolate mix, peanut butter, rice crispy, juice, aioli again, starburst candy, gum, pickles, black pepper, sponges, some more toothbrush, napkins. Okay, so these are all the stuff that I purchased at Dollarama. Yep. So in my previous video I showed you the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, and these are the stuff that I got from Dollarama. The total cost for these items is $128. Yeah, I think it's not so bad after all, knowing the what cost of living is like now. But yeah, so I spent $128 on all these items. So tell me in the comment if you think they're worth that money or you think you got a good deal. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video where I show you when I'm packing these stuff. Okay, see you soon.